Alright, hello everyone. We are going to have a little fun today. I thought it would be a good idea for the holiday season for various Covenant members to show some cooking videos or some other videos, and I thought I would start this off with doing one myself, mainly because I hadn't had a chance to get the other people ready yet, but also I wanted to try something. So we're going to do a real simple thing today, not really cooking per se. We're going to make some Rice Krispie treats or something similar to it. We're going to try and make 2 different batches. We're going to try to make, well, fruity pebble treats and maybe something for the holidays, Kellogg's pumpkin spice cornflake treats, I guess. The only thing I could find with a pumpkin spice flavor in cereal. The recipe is pretty easy. I've actually never made this before, so we'll see just how easy it is. But we're going to try it anyway. Alright, so as you know, it calls for 3 tablespoons of butter for the fruity pebble ones. We're just going to use regular butter. And we're put that in there. It's a bit mildly soft already. And it actually wants us to melt the butter first. 30 seconds is good enough. This is a neat little thing. It sticks on top of the microwave, and you can pull it down to cover your bowls so they don't splatter everywhere. Something my mother left in the microwave when she gave us the microwave. It's got little magnets on the bottom. So, the next thing we're going to have to do is make fruity marshmallows. That's a bit of a wow. Putting a little cookie in there. Now, 6 cups of fruity pebbles. Now, this, they're technically Rice Krispie treats because Fruity Pebbles is still a type of Rice Krispie. And then it's less puffed like the Rice Krispie is, and it's more of a rolled Krispie. Alright. How does that look there? Can you see the wonderful colors there? Next thing we do, of course, is we go with a pan. Grease or sprayed. We're going to go with sprayed. Yeah, completely covered. Let's see how well I can get this to go in there. That for a moment. Some festive looking Rice Krispie treats. Now cool those and do the next set real quick. Okay, let's resume. Oh, now that was the Fruity Pebbles. Let's do the pumpkin spice ones. This time I'm going to do something a little different. Instead of regular butter, I'm going to use honey butter with cinnamon and brown sugar. It still calls for 3 tablespoons. Enough, I got this butter at the bread store. A little different this time. This time I'm going to try a metal spoon with some spray on it. It'll be a little less sticky. Marshmallows. We'll just go straight for 2 minutes. Hope for the best. Be right back. Ready? Yes, we got a nice jiggly full of marshmallows. So, you know, Kellogg's cornflakes treats. Now these are quite crunchy, as you can hear. So I'm hoping the marshmallow, heat from the marshmallow will kind of soften them up a little bit. I have no 13-inch bowl, but I do have a little square one. flake pumpkin spice treats. Alright, I'll put these in the freezer, or refrigerator, and cut them up in a little while, and I'll do a little end cap for that. For a moment, I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, well. Pumpkin treats, fruity pebble treats. Thank you for watching.